Meaning of hydrospeeding.
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 Hydrospeeding. Hydrospeeding, also known as riverboarding, is an adventure sport where a person rides down a river using a specialized board. The board is equipped with fins and handles to help the rider navigate the rapids and currents. The sport provides an exhilarating experience and requires a good amount of physical fitness and swimming ability. It's important to have proper training and equipment to ensure safety while hydrospeeding. Overall, hydrospeeding is a thrilling way to experience nature's power and beauty on the water.